kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish.
Are you vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
What kind of foods do you like? What kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods. I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food? Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better. I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky. You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky? Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper. It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food? Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland. Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often? Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant? Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant. I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork? So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish. No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish.
Are you vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons? Are you vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons. Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant? Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there? What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding. Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go. Sounds delicious. Let's go.